Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be co-washing my hair and styling it in a low bun. I'm going to be using this detangling brush from MJV Braiding Hair, and I'm going to be co-washing with Honey's Handmade Black Soap, Honey and Avocado Co-Wash. My hair is already wet, so I am just going to work in that co-wash in each section of my hair, starting from the ends up until the roots. And I am kind of finger detangling a little bit, but not too much because I really do want to see the true results of using this detangling brush. So I am working in the co-wash, and I am going in with the detangling brush, starting from my ends, and I will work my way up into my roots. As you can see, this isn't your ordinary detangling brush. This is a brush that butterflies, and I love it. It really did the trick for my hair. It slid through like butter. It really didn't take much for me to work my way through from the ends to my roots. I really do love the way it butterflies because, I don't know, I just feel like with it spreading out like that, there's no strands that can be missed, if that makes sense. It spreads out like all through your hair, all across your hair to get every single strand and every single kink and knot out. And it defines your curls. So I'm going to twist up this section and move on.
Purchase your tracks today.
So I'm going to do the same thing in this section. I'm going to start with my co-wash, work it in there, and then go in with my detangling brush.
Purchase your tracks today. Purchase your tracks today.
Okay, so I've made it to the other side of my head, and I decided to slow it back down so you guys can really see just how good this brush slides through my hair. Right now I'm getting all of the kinks out, and they're already like pretty much out. So now I'm just gliding it through. I just love the way it feels. And look at that. That's magic. I absolutely love this brush. And the definition that it gave is unmatched.
Purchase your tracks today. Purchase your tracks today. Purchase your tracks today. Purchase your tracks today. Purchase your tracks today.
I've rinsed the co-wash out, and now I am using some leave-in conditioner by Palmer's. It is marshmallow root. I'll have the products in the description box below. But I added my leave-in conditioner, and now I'm going to go ahead and start brushing again in preparation for my low bun. So for this process, you really want to make sure that you are brushing, sis, because you don't want any kinks or bumps or knots left for this style. It has to be so sleek. Otherwise, you're gonna have issues. Ponytail is not gonna look as sleek and smooth as you want it, and you're gonna have to keep doing it over and over again. So why not just do the work in the very beginning, so once you're ready to slick that thing down in the ponytail or in the bun, you'll be good to go. So yeah, that's all I'm doing here, making sure that I have all of the kinks and the bumps smoothed out so it can be smooth sailing when I'm ready to pull it all back.
Purchase your tracks today.
Next, I'm going to go in with my gel. I am using the Wet Line Extreme Gel. I hope I said that right. But yeah, I am using Wet Line Gel. I normally use Eco Styler with the Jamaican Black Castor Oil and Flaxseed. I normally use that, but I decided to go ahead and give this Wet Line Gel a try, just to see how it does. And so far so good. It gives me a lot of definition and a lot of hold. So yeah, this gel is definitely going to be a staple in my stash. So I go ahead and I put the gel all over my head, like from roots to the ends, because I need everything super defined, just in case I decide to leave my hair in the ponytail instead of the bun. And I have my handy dandy toothbrush, as I like to call it, and I am smoothing out the top of my head at the roots, and then I am working my way down. Once again, making sure that everything is smooth and there aren't any bumps. Okay, now that that part is done, I am getting ready to continue to smooth out my bumps, and I am getting ready to pull back my ponytail. At this point, everything is looking pretty smooth, so it is very easy for me to slick everything down and pull it back into my ponytail, and it looks pretty nice and sleek.
Purchase your tracks today.
So I took the ponytail down and redid it because I noticed a slight bump, and it was much better when I redid it. Sometimes you are going to have to change out that ponytail a few times, sis, to get it right, but it's okay. Just keep going until you get it.
Purchase your tracks today.
This is it, you guys. This is the finished look, and I went ahead and just left it as a ponytail. Normally I will go ahead and like wrap it around. Let's see. Yeah, normally I will go ahead and wrap it around like that, leave it in a bun. But I may just go ahead and let it hang for the day. Of course, when I go to sleep, I will put it up in a bun, but why not? Just got a little hang time going, why not just let it hang? Let it hang and swing. But thank you guys so much for tuning in. I hope you liked the tutorial. I hope you were able to follow. Once again, this is the brush that I use. Still got some of my hair in it. I haven't cleaned it yet. But this brush is from MJV Braiding Hair. I will have that somewhere on the screen for you guys. It is a Black-owned company, owned by a Black woman. I have been looking for an outstanding detangling brush that will get in and get the job done. This is the brush right here. Get the job done. It is kind of like I call it a butterfly detangling brush. They separate as you are combing through your hair. And it also comes with a piece that will keep these pieces together. I'm not sure if I have it in here, but it's a clip that'll keep these pieces together so it won't move and butterfly while you are brushing your hair. But I prefer not to use the piece because I like it to butterfly. It makes me feel like it's really, as I'm brushing down my hair, it just makes me feel like it is getting every single strand and every single spot in my head. So I prefer to leave it butterfly. Again, this brush is from MJV Braiding Hair. I will have the information for you guys so you can go and find her page and follow and support. Thank you guys so much for tuning into my channel. If you are not already, do not forget to subscribe and hit that bell notification right next to the subscribe button so you will be notified every time I drop a new video. Thanks so much, and I will see you guys in my next video.
Purchase your tracks today.